Anand Pradhan, Senior Director of AI Technology for the New York Stock Exchange, is joining me now to talk all things AI. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
It's great to have you, Anand. So let's talk about how AI is being leveraged to enhance effective decision making.
Cool. ICE and NYSE is a data and technology company. So AI has been in the use for a long period of time, including our ICE chat application and various other aspects of data pipelines. But with the advancement of all the technology related to AI, Gen AI, it is being reimagined for data pipeline, customer experience. We are working hard right now to provide better outcome for customers, better customer experience, advanced analytics, so that they can make better trading decisions at the end of the day.
Are there any specific or most promising technologies that you're eyeing right now that is going to help shape the future of stock exchanges or financial institutions around the world?
Yeah, like data is one of the significant components for better AI outcome or output that comes out of all these models. So, you can start seeing financial trading data being used in the AI models as well as, providing better output. One of the other thing is we have a lot of dashboards that people use, so there will be significant improvement in the natural language-based interactive queries into those data sets, So that's one thing. The other aspect is the classic example we are seeing is the infrastructure improvement. Hardware from network devices that is going into the AI space will have positive side effect for lowering the cost for trading technology also.
But talk to me about how you see AI and machine learning really meeting the demands of market volatility when it comes to complex financial instruments and trading solutions.
Yeah, like any technology improvement is always to reduce the cost and improve the productivity over the period of time, and AI is one of the aspects of that. What we are seeing is better usage of AI for making better trading decisions. Giving an endpoint to customers to ask questions or analysts to ask questions into the, let's say, trading rules to data that we provide, without going through a long cycle of development to create trading dashboards and things like that, will definitely have positive impact into making better trading decisions.
Can you talk to me more about how NYSE is leveraging AI to really analyze vast amounts of data, especially when it comes to, we're the backbone of global financial markets. So talk to me about that.
So traditional machine learning and deep learning has been in the use for finding trading patterns, and with the advanced techniques right now, same kind of pattern analysis is being going on right now to correlate different data patterns and trading behavior, as well as you can think of like news data analytics as well as social media and correlation to trading pattern. The other technique that we have used, I have spoke widely about it, is providing a chatbot to our complex rules, simplifying the explanation of that, as well as various workflow simplification that we have, or content generation that we use for various endpoints, extracting data out of unstructured data, creating structured data product out of that. All those techniques are in the works right now. One other thing is that we are a highly regulated industry, so we make sure we have all the necessary guardrails and testing and redundancy models in place. So we are working hard to make sure we are staying ahead of all the regulation that is coming out, making sure all the policies and procedures are in place so that we innovate, but we innovate with our boundaries to make sure that we provide a better and consistent outcome to our customers.
And I just want to point out, we just got images of the executive team along with Chris Taylor going to the Bell Podium to sign the Distinguished Guest Book as they make their way up to that Bell Podium to open up the U.S. equity markets. Right now, we're about 2 minutes exactly out. So I want to ask you, though, how the implementation of AI rapidly expanding in technology, how you see this in the broader workforce landscape when it comes to jobs. Do you see displacement from where you sit? What are your thoughts?
So, look, over the years, like I said, with any kind of innovation and improvement, there will be some changes. I cannot predict the future, but I can see that significant improvement going into the optimizations or workflow simplification and things like that. There will be some reorientation that I can see. People who are keeping ahead of the AI-related changes, definitely will have a significant, they will have a significant improvement in the future. So, like I said, we will have reduced time to market for many of the things, and it may generate large volume of data coming out of the models and all the changes that we are working on. That actually opens up a lot more advanced data analytics capabilities, as well as cybersec and infosec is one of the spaces where I can see a lot more work going in, data scientists and data related improvements and new job creations. Yeah.
And so, we have about 60 seconds to the bell. Just really briefly, what would you say should be at the forefront of CEOs' minds when it comes to AI and tech and implementing this into their business model?
So creating a platform for rapid
And we have about 20 seconds.
Alright. So creating a platform for rapid prototyping, making sure that the testing and experimentation is cost effective with new models coming in, so that should be in CEO's mind.
Yes, yes. And we're going to talk more about this a little bit later, but the bell waits for no one, Anand. So thank you so much for joining me. We're going to tune into the opening bell and we'll meet you right back here.